The English alphabet. B is the second letter of the English alphabet. This is how you write the letter B. Can you try writing it yourself?
B. B.
Check out the different positions of the letter B in the given examples. Also try listening to the various pronunciations of the letter B. Check out the letter B at the start of the word bus and bark. The letter B in the middle of the word combing. The B in combing is silent, meaning you don't pronounce the letter B. And then you have two B's in the word baby. Then there's the B at the start and end of the word bathtub. Then you have the B in cub. And climb. The B in climb is also silent. Then you could also have two B's in the middle of a word such as cobbler. Bus, bark, combing, baby, bathtub, cub, climb, cobbler. Did you get it? So there you have it, the letter B.